Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you a software that can help you increase comments and engagement on your YouTube videos. This is the interface of my YouTube software. You can add unlimited Gmail accounts here. Each Gmail account can use a different proxy to help keep the accounts safer and more stable. The software also includes many other features, such as warming up YouTube channels, automatically creating YouTube channels, and bulk uploading videos. To use the auto comment feature on YouTube, go to Seeding function, then choose Seeding Video. Next, select the accounts in the account list, then click Channels List and select all YouTube channels. One Gmail account can create multiple YouTube channels, so you can manage many channels at the same time. In the Choose the Seeding Type section, you can choose between video and shorts. You can understand seeding as a kind of boosting activity. It helps increase comments, likes, views, and engagement for your videos or shorts. You can add unlimited YouTube links here. You can also set how many seconds the software should watch each video, enable auto-skip ads, and configure different engagement actions for the video. In the Content Available configuration section, you can upload a list of prepared comments, or you can use AI to generate comments automatically. After that, review all the settings one more time. Then click Start. The software will automatically open the YouTube links you added, watch the videos, comment, and interact with them based on your configuration.